So, welcome, beautiful people, to round number 5. I'm filling the holes right now on the concepts which I don't understand. I'm trying to learn Spring, but it's going slow. As each round we will do 5 minutes of typing exercise and 30 minutes of trying to not freak out because I don't know shit. In here, oatmeal with banana and some chocolate chips or whatever. Oh, Dario, welcome. Welcome. How was your stream? I just started our round on number 5, but I will be right back. And I will give you the tea time. It should be there. It should be, but different. Oh, okay. You must have a lot of points. Okay. But the tea time should be there, is it not? Is it safe? No, it's not. I did put it as this. No, like the challenge. Oh, not started yet. Oh, so I can start. I have to start it. Okay, cool. I was experimenting with the things. Now, yeah. Okay, so that is completed. Okay, cool. Boom. I probably don't want to do the both at the same time, right? Oh, really? Okay. Just give me a second. Oh gosh. You can think about if you have some, if I should wing it or if you have concrete questions. Okay, so I will prepare. For all that is coming. So, first of all, we'll set up the brutal light of No Mercy. The safety is number 1 priority. We are living in really bad times. In the stream we are chatting out the apparently format. What's difficult about growing tea? A lot of stuff, and that's something we can talk about. Okay. Oh, god damn it. So, much better. So, we will have a little bit of time. You're loving it, don't you? Okay. So, that was raised. So, we have the brutal thing as well. Is Java Spring the most? For Java, yes. For Java, I would say yes. And we have the tea time, sponsored entirely by Daria. So we'll talk about the tea. I will start the timer, and we will have a 5 minutes of the tea time. So the problem with growing the tea, and we will also know why it is important, the origin of the tea. The tea is a very sensitive plant. That means in a sense that if you grow it somewhere and take the same plant, take it out of the ground and travel 100 kilometers and put it there, it will produce different taste. It will be the fragrance will be different. Everything will be completely different. That is also why a lot of tea lovers would say that stuff like sencha, which is produced in China, is nonsensical. Doesn't make sense. There are people who are saying that the white tea should come only for province Chenghe, and then to the tea plants. The tea is similar to humans in a way that it gives you the best with the right amount of stress. You know, like it likes kind of like wet environment, but the water cannot stay by the oh, thank you for the follow, by the roots. That is not good for the tea, for the tea plant. And so the soil, the best soil for the tea is the one with high concentration of sand in it, so the water can flow freely. Also, to get the best results, the tea plant should not be on the direct sunlight. For many varieties of the tea plant, you can see that it almost burns the tea leaves, and they turned in a purple color. Do they grow in greenhouses? No, not really. There is one technique which kind of restricts the light, and that is, for example, used for kabuse or matcha or gyokuro teas, which are grown in Japan, and they put like these shading devices on top of it, and here the tea plant has to produce more of the chloroform to give the same energy from the sun, which it doesn't take, doesn't get, right? So maybe I can show you shading here color. Then we can have a look on how it's. So this is how it looks. You know, they will put those things on top of it, and that kind of restricts the sunlight, right? And if we look like in another area which is like excellent for making tea, what is important here to say is that what I'm saying about the restraining the light, it is not general rule which goes for everything. It depends which results you want to have. And we are out of the time, which means this abomination can be destroyed and disposed safely. Okay. Much better, much better. I will kill this alarm, and so the TLDR answered your questions why the tea is not produced everywhere, and there are like few gardens in somewhere. The answer to that would be there might not be ideal conditions to produce there. You can grow a tea in many areas, but not each variety can resist winter. So you are restricted then just to some few varieties which might not be as tasty for your customers. So that is another restriction. And in theory, there's nothing which prohibits you from growing a tea in large scale, like anywhere, but you are limited by with your weather conditions. Yeah, and that concludes our tea time and the thingy as well. So here, brewed a lot of No Mercy. Markets complete. Good. So thank you, Dario, to sponsoring this event. And I will go through the chat what I missed all. You're crying, good for you. Completed, tea time plus LUT. There's a lot of to say about the tea growing. I haven't even scratched on the surface. Marcus for school. What is the blah blah blah. Your team mining with all this tea knowledge. Do they grow in tea houses? Usually not. Euro is free. Yes, it is in such high demand that you know. But I can, yeah. So Marcus completes. The tea time was completed, and it is I cannot do it one more time. Why? So I recommend Spring Boot, less configuration. Thank you. Kill. That's the restriction. That's the restriction of light make green brighter. We don't have much time to explain, and we don't have a tea time anymore. One word answer is umami. You. But loves the disco time. At least someone. Don't hide all that. Where to get decent tea in Europe? Sure. Oh, thank you, Statement, for the follow. You might regret your life choices later. And how do I... That's weird. Okay, so maybe I will do the... Holy crap. Like, if I want to do this again, you know, like... Hey, I'm learning Spring, and just we had a break to talk about the tea a little bit. Can I just copy it again? Like, okay, I don't want to lose my time on this right now, because here we are trying to improve me in programming, and hopefully as a human being too. The method which we are using here is to split the whole endeavor, the whole process into rounds. So it will be like more digestible pieces. We are doing round number 5 right now, this stream, and it consists of 5 minutes of typing exercise and 30 minutes of me questioning my life choices and trying to not freak out because I don't know almost anything. Yeah, so I do track my progress in the typing. I wrote a simple and small application which tracks my error rate. This is the average all time, which might be now like 20 days ago when I wrote this application. And then we have average for the last 7 and 3 days. The main thing which we are looking on is the error rate, and as you can see, it's going down, which is pretty nice. And this previously went up, but let's start. So oh, fuck. I wonder if anyone clipped the tea time with the disco. While you're learning to type, wouldn't it be better you write some real stuff? I do both. I do both. The theory is like if you focus on the separate things by itself, you can improve them. So, for example, if I just program, I still do the typos. So having a separate segment to train the typing, I think benefits me. Yeah. So we did the 5 minutes of that, and we will continue to whatever I was doing. And right now I was trying to understand or remind myself about the tight and loose coupling. I don't like this music. I don't like this music at all. Yeah, open folder. Synthwave we will play. There you go. Okay. It supports mostly dependent. So only exposed through the interface, then are loosely coupled. Spring K framework uses dependency injection, Poji. So to achieve loose coupling example, if you change your shirt, you're not forced to change your body. Okay, so topic, understand. And topic work implements that. Got it. Then we have topic 2, understand, subject, and the topic is topic 1, the understand. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay. Now, Java program to illustrate loose coupling. Another one. So what is here? We have a class volume. Here's our main thing, and here we have a private int volume and get volume. How is this? How is this loose coupling? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Cybernetics and robotics. In the above program, there is no dependency between both the classes. If we change anything in the box classes, we don't have to change anything in volume class. Okay, so the usage of getter only. Oh, and I missed Muhammad Atpuradham from UK for the thank you for the follow. That was probably while I was doing the tea time. There is no dependency between both the classes to change anything in volume class. Which is better, tight coupling or loose coupling? General tight coupling is bad. It reduces flexibility and reusability of codes. It makes changes much more difficult. Impedes testability, etc. Code will help you when your application needs to change or grow. Ah, okay, I see. Few parts though should be affected when the requirements change. This is stupid. First of all, you missed some parts, you know, like this should be green too. And second of all, I don't like that visualization. Okay, tight coupling doesn't provide a concept of interface. Tight coupling, it's not easy to swap the code between two classes. It's much easier to swap other pieces of code, modules, objects, components, and release code. Okay. Changing capability with loose coupling. Okay, so those two are basically the same. You are saying the same thing in here. Controlled by blah blah blah, blah blah blah, Java Foundation, blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Next, cohesion in Java. That kind of looks. That looks like a nice page. Geeks for geeks. So, but we were here because I was reading this. What I was. No. I hear. No. What is this? Spring bean life cycle. Okay, and here somewhere. Its first lecture. Where did I read it? I don't know. Destroy initializing. Okay, so here's with the initializing being that. Yeah, and we. Okay, so here. Where interfaces. What is this star? You explain it somewhere? Down, that's great. That allow beans to indicate to the container that there creates a dependency. Worker to employ a method to inject the dependency bean. Application context aware. Oh shit, it's like it's badly readable, but if I make it smaller, you will not see it. it as well. I'll do this. Set application context. Charging. Okay, I need to turn off the notification off. Sound. Save. Here we go. Interface to be implemented by an object that wishes to be notified. It wishes to be notified by application context. Set application context that it runs in. Ah, dude. Set application event publisher. Bum, bum, bum. Beans, class loader, aware. Set bean class loader. Callback that supplies the bean class loader to a bean instance. The fuck? Bean factory order. There's a lot of shit. Okay. It gets that. Okay. Custom init and destroy methods. Ooh. You know, I'm not sure if I like this tutorial either. I might look for another place as well. It's like okay, so I kind of look at it like this. So we will do languages Java. Sources. Can I I search it in here. Yes. Come on. Spring. Go. The fuck. The fuck. That is not here. Full stack developer the right way. Okay. No, that's vanilla Java. Yes, of course I can. Of course I can. You know, like, it's everything is rabbit hole, but learning Chinese seems like really deep rabbit hole to me, you know, like that might delay me a little bit. It's like, okay, so if we go to tutorials, there are just those, okay. Jobs, student. Campus Ambassador program? What the fuck is that? Yeah, that goes with the corona, I think. That they want more seniors now. Okay. Fuck. Okay, spring tutorials. This. God damn it. What is this? Spring Framework, Java Server, Java Fix. Injection, some basic. I want a tutorial which will walk me through all the bullshit. I want a tutorial which will walk me through to all the bullshit. I want... excuse me. Maybe this will be good. This looks somehow good. What is this? Oh, okay. So do normal. And then turn to blank. Okay, cool. Picture. Quirky GitHub page. Hello. Oh, you're from Poland. Cześć. Oh, that is pretty nice. Kind of consistent. Yeah, I also have not many. You look like really diligent. Like, look at that. It's green. It's green, you know. You can play golf in here. Well, boop, from here to there. Boop, boop. Okay. Yeah, I kind. This might be a promising thing. This looks like promising a little bit. I don't like this anymore right now. I want produce code, you know, like something which would those are like pieces. Spring file from the Spring, so you'll have a look what is in there. Oh my god. Spring control, Spring Grass boot. What about Spring start here? Cheerless one. Complete. You know, something like start fucking here. Repository, there's like different kinds of like, god damn it. Yeah, one day I want to be like you. One day when I grow up. Spring 5, okay. Cool. Maybe what is this? Release, okay, and this is, god damn it. What the fuck was that? Okay, so here is like Spring Framework, Spring 5, Spring Globe. How did I end up in here? From here, I guess. Okay, so first I will save this link. Boom, boom. This is journal diff. What is com.com, and we'll paste it in here. It's so hard to find anything which my demented brain would understand. Bye. The Learn Spring Framework in 2021. Spring Framework Beginner to Guru. And that will be something paid, right? I'm almost sure. Yeah, this will be all paid content, so bye. Journal diff. Here we have something. What about on the tutorials point? They had a lot of nice things, but I think I did not like it for some reason. Did I? What my note says. Tutorials.com. Yeah, I was doing that in here, so maybe I will do it again. This is a long time ago. Just Spring. I'll live. Don't you just love it? JavaScript 2, whiteboard, tutorials. Where the fuck is this like library? Maybe the largest online. Okay. Spring. Hey, Zip. Welcome back. sort of. I know Java. I'm not like very versed in the like you know like in the newest things. Well, newest, it's not that newest. Like I haven't done much with the lambdas, you know, like, and the modules in Java 9. It's like, what the fuck is that? Yeah, so I know something. Spring tutorial. Yeah. Audience. Bildung. Bildung. Spring. Spring tutorial. I think I will jump on this guy. It's like, oh, this is a little bit frustrating. I'm feeling like today I'm not making a lot of progress. And this kind of looks good. What is the content? Yay. Oreo, architectural, IOC commenter, bean definition. Oh, nice. Bean definition, bean scopes, bean lifecycle. Nice, nice. They are even explaining dependency injection, inner beans, collections. Here we go. And then, okay, so they have a XML based configuration, which is not used, but well, sometimes it is, right? Like older code bases. So, and then they switch to annotation-based configuration, and then the purely Java-based configuration. Okay, so nice. So we will see all of those three. JDBC, and then they are saying like, okay, I think this looks like this could set me up in the right direction. You know, to get the basics and maybe use that to like leverage the examples on like different in different sites. Dude, sometimes it sucks. Okay, so yeah, this will be probably the best one. Okay. So I will do that. I'm sorry I did not enjoy the other sources that much. This might be good, but yeah, well, drinking from the fire hose is the name of the game lately. Okay, so I will forget all of those for a moment, and we will do this guy. Why to learn Spring? Because you will get money. That's why. Simply easy. Okay, so now I want to see, and Bum, 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 bum. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, so no, it was a project study. Apple Spring. Spring. No. Oh, you see, I already did a lot of stuff. And what do I remember? Nothing, which means we will do this. Bye bye. Yes, all of it. All of it. All of it. Okay. And here is why. I'm already convinced to learn it, so let's go further. And yeah, the timer is off. I will have a. This concludes the round number 5.